The first time I met this girl was in the year 99 when we were in 10th standard in school together. Afterwards, we reconnected in 11 years later in 2011 when her father expired and we went to attend the few last rites. Afterwards, we started talking, hanging out together, and then she called me. She asked me to start dating too, and during that I told her that there should be no commitments from my side, as well as where you are free to leave when you want to. To which she agreed to both the points. However, later on, after a period of 5 months, she started getting all weird and she started asking me a lot of questions. She started nitpicking. In a sense, she became possessive. Then suddenly, she took sleeping pills. She ran away from home, and both the times I had to go to her place and I used to pacify her कि मत करो ये सब, क्यों अपनी और मेरी ज़िंदगी ख़राब कर रही हो इस तरह से. Slowly I stopped talking to her. However, after a period of 7 months, she called me and she said, I have found out the truth about you. I have taken out all your call records and I will screw you now. Then a local counselor of her area called me up and said कि मैंने उसको और उसकी माँ को गाली दी है, उनके साथ बदतमीज़ी करी है और मुझे उनसे माफ़ी मांगनी पड़ेगी. मैंने कहा ठीक है, अगर मेरे से कोई गलती हो गई है आपके या आपकी बेटी के प्रति तो मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए. ये फ़ोन रखने के 10 मिनट के अंदर ही उस लड़की का कॉल मेरे पास फिर से आ गया कि मैंने तेरे कॉल रिकॉर्ड्स निकलवा लिए हैं, अब मैं तेरे पर केस करूँगी रेप का. आई सेड प्लीज़ डोंट डू दिस, प्लीज़ डोंट डिस्ट्रॉय माई करियर एंड माई लाइफ. सो आई हैड टू गो बैक टू दिस गर्ल अगेन एंड आस्क कि तुम चाहते क्या हो, मुझे एक बार में बता दो. Until this point of time, we have not had a physical relationship. We have not had sex. Afterwards, when we went into this relationship, I told her again that I will not be able to commit to you. And after you are pacified, we will end this relationship at the earliest. To which she agreed again. And she actually persuaded me to book a hotel room. This time we got physical. We had sex. After this, she became all the more possessive. She said, now we are in a relationship and this feels natural. I said, I can't even talk to you properly without imploding. How can I take you for an entire life? We are not compatible at all. So please, as soon as you are pacified, just let me be and just let me go. Then after a period of 4 months, I could not take it any further and I just told my parents everything. My parents were shell-shocked कि I am not marrying because of this issue. Then a month later, she came to my house with her brother-in-law and her uncle. They asked me whether I have committed to her, and she herself accepted in front of everybody that I have never given her a commitment, nor not given her any dream of future together. But while leaving, she said that she will file a case against me. And all of us were clueless that what will exactly she file a case for. Afterwards, she did not call or connect with us for a period of 3 months, to which my parents thought that it's all over. So they actually fixed a match for me. इस लड़की को जाने कैसे पता चल गया और 2 हफ्ते के अंदर ये उसके घर पहुंच गई. She told them about this relationship and how she plans to destroy my life. उन्होंने रिलेशनशिप तोड़ दिया. इस शादी के टूटने के बाद में हमारी बहुत डिसरिस्पेक्ट हुई है सोसाइटी में. माई पेरेंट्स आर ट्रॉमेटाइज्ड. नाउ आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ 4 months, I am still as helpless and as clueless as I have been during the last 5 years, with no future that I can think of. I am also living under a constant fear of getting arrested at any point of time when she files a false complaint, and I don't know when this agony will end for me finally.